Kelly.
Hi, Kelly.
Come on in. Welcome to Hacienda Antigua. This is for you.
Oh my goodness. I mean, after that drive up, this is a celebration.
Well, we give all our guests a welcome drink.
Oh, Kelly.
It's beautiful, huh?
This is a masterpiece. Kelly, this property is massive. Can you give me a little bit of a breakdown? Like, where are we right now on the property?
We're in our main living room with our gourmet commercial kitchen that the caterers use and our personal chef that we recommend to all our guests. We have 8 suites. Each suite has an ensuite bath, and we have 4 additional restrooms as well. This main house is 5 suites.
Wow.
And then we have another wing under our palapa with 3 more suites that we call our jungle suites because they face the jungle. We have 2 primary suites. This is one of them, and it has its own balcony, and it's the only suite that's upstairs, so we call it the penthouse suite.
Everywhere I look, there's something beautiful and intentional. Can you tell me about some of the specifics?
Yes, this cabinet we created from a church pulpit. Even our bar is a vintage find from a Puerto Vallarta restaurant that they were demolishing. We happened to go by there and ask about it, and they sold us the bar, which is up there. This beautiful, huge door that you came through.
Oh my gosh, that door.
We got it from an old church.
Unbelievable. Well, it definitely feels like it has spiritual, holy vibes in here.
Yes. Well, we haven't even scratched the surface with your tour. Let me come take you to the grass and show you our palapa. And we can meet my husband out there, and he can tell you more about all we have to offer you during your stay.
I'm sold. Let's go check it out.
Hi guys,
Hello, Frank.
how are you guys doing today?
How about this?
Not a bad place to spend the afternoon, huh?
No, Frank, thank you so much for having me. This is a dream, truly. How do the offerings kind of feed into the whole relaxation, luxury idea that you have going on?
So we have full staff here. We do offer massages. We have a concierge that we use locally here, either ATVing, we can go zip lining, we go fishing out of here. You can use the property for anything you really want to do.
Tell me a little bit about the inspiration for this absolutely magnificent hacienda.
It started in 2006. Took us about 7 years to build it. We went all through Mexico and got little parts from Mexico. Like the main flooring in the house is cobblestone, which we got from San Miguel de Allende. They were tearing up the road, so we just ended up buying all this rock, shipped it up here, and then we ended up using it as our floor. It's a very unique property, I think, I'd say.
Well, I've got some exploring to do, huh?
Let's go do it.
All right, cheers.
Cheers.